How to change language on Capital One app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, sign into your online banking using your app. Then select Account and Feature Settings inside of your application. Make sure that you are logged into your Capital One account. And then select pencil icon next to online viewing to change the language that you use to view your online banking site. Once you do so, select the pencil icon next to statements, emails, and correspondence to choose the language you would like us to use when sending you communications. Once you have selected the language that you would like to choose from, you are finished and all you have to do is click the save icon. And that way, this is how you can change the language preferences on your Capital One account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.